Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an avocado hair mask at home. This natural treatment offers incredible benefits for your hair. Avocados are packed with vitamins E and B, which are essential for promoting healthy hair growth and strength. The natural oils deeply moisturize dry and damaged strands, reducing frizz and adding a beautiful, healthy shine. Regular application can also soothe an itchy scalp and help prevent dandruff, leaving your hair feeling soft and revitalized. Now let's gather the simple ingredients you'll need for this nourishing mask. You'll want one ripe avocado, ideally a Hass variety for its creamy texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This provides extra moisture and a lovely shine. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of honey, which acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your hair. For a pleasant scent, you can optionally add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Preparing your avocado hair mask is incredibly easy. First, take your ripe avocado and mash it thoroughly in a bowl until it's completely smooth and free of any large chunks. Next, add your 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey to the mashed avocado. Mix all these ingredients together very well, ensuring you achieve a consistent, creamy paste. This smooth texture is key for easy application and rinsing later on. With your mask prepared, it's time for application. Apply the creamy mixture evenly to your damp hair, working it from the roots all the way to the ends. Once applied, leave the mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to deeply penetrate. Finally, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the mask is completely gone. You can then follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner for extra softness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.